Understand your space and needs. Consider the space you have available and the amount of compost you'll be generating. For smaller spaces or less compost, a compact compost bin might be suitable. If you have a larger yard and generate more organic waste, a designated compost area might be more appropriate. Types of composting systems. Enclosed bins, these are containers with tight-fitting lids and sometimes multiple chambers. They're great for controlling pests, odor, and retaining heat for faster decomposition. Tumblers, these are bins mounted on a frame that allows you to easily turn and mix the compost, speeding up the composting process. Wire or wooden bins, simple and cost-effective, they allow aeration and are easy to build. They're good for larger yards and can hold more compost. Piles, if you have ample space, you can create compost piles directly on the ground. Simply designate an area, and turn the compost with a pitchfork to aerate. Consider airflow and aeration. Whatever system you choose, ensure it provides adequate airflow. Compost needs oxygen for the decomposition process. Look for bins or designs that allow for turning or rotating the compost to aerate it. Material selection. Opt for bins made from durable, weather-resistant materials like plastic or galvanized metal. If you're building your own compost area, consider weather-treated wood or sturdy wire mesh. Proximity and convenience. Place the compost bin or pile close to your kitchen for easy disposal of food scraps. Convenience encourages regular use and proper maintenance. Drainage. Ensure proper drainage in enclosed bins to prevent overly soggy compost. Some bins come with a bottom that allows excess moisture to drain. Odor management. A well-managed compost bin should not emit unpleasant odors. Ensure your compost bin has a tight-fitting lid to contain smells and discourage pests. Sun and shade consideration. Position your compost bin in a partly shaded area. Too much sun can dry out the compost, while too much shade might slow down decomposition. Regulation and guidelines. Check your local regulations and homeowner association rules regarding composting. Some areas might have restrictions or guidelines on composting. Maintenance and turning. Regularly turn the compost to aerate it and speed up the decomposition process. Follow guidelines for maintaining the compost system you've chosen. Educate yourself. Familiarize yourself with composting techniques, what can and cannot be composted, and best practices for a successful composting process. Choose a composting system that suits your needs, space, and lifestyle to efficiently turn your organic waste into nutrient-rich compost for your garden.